Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 5. This is your maths lecture, unit number 1, and the topic is numbers and arithmetic operation. Yes student, today we will solve page number 16 and exercise word problems. Okay student, today we will solve question number 9, and question number 9 is if rupees 295,850 are donated to a welfare trust in 1 month, then how will be deposit in 42 months? Yes student, if rupees अगर रुपीज़ 294,850 आर डोनेट किए जाते हैं एक वेलफेयर ट्रस्ट को इन 1 मंथ, एक मंथ में, देन फिर हाउ विल बी डिपॉजिटेड, तो कितने और डिपॉजिट किए जाएंगे इन 42 मंथ्स, तो 42 मंथ्स में कितने डिपॉजिट किए जाएंगे? यस स्टूडेंट, इजी क्वेश्चन. 1 मंथ के इन्होंने हमें अमाउंट बता दी है, इतने अमाउंट वो डिपॉजिट करते हैं एक मंथ में, तो 42 मंथ्स की. Very easy. First we will write solution, then we will find the question through short statement, that is amount denoted in a month. Yes student, amount denoted in a 1 month, that is rupees 294,850. एक मंथ की उन्होंने हमें बता दी, हमने फाइंड करनी है 42 मंथ्स. नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स कितने हैं? 42. Now we will find total amount of 42 months, okay, through multiplication. Yes student, 294,850 multiplied by 42. Yes student, 2 0 0, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1 17, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. Now 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. In tens there is 4, 4 0 0, 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 2 33 and 34, 3 carry, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3 16, 17, 18 and 19, 1 carry, 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 1 37, 3 carry. Now 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes student, 11. Now we will add 0, 0 plus 0 0, 7 plus 0 7, 9 plus 4 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1 carry, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 9 18, 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now 13, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2 and 1. Yes student, in 42 months amount deposit, that is rupees 12 383,700. Understand student? 1 month amount कितनी थी? ₹294,850. ओके, हमने फाइंड करनी 42. सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस वैल्यू बाय 42 and the answer is ₹12,383,700. Understand? Now question number 10. Question number 10 is a student pays ₹123,000 annually to the school. How much does he pay monthly? Very easy. अगर एक स्टूडेंट पे करता है स्कूल में एनुअली मीन सालाना कितने पे करता है? 123,000. हाउ मच डज ही पे मंथली? तो वो मंथली कितनी फ़ी पे करेगा? फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट, एनीबडी टेल मी हाउ मैनी मंथ्स इन अ ईयर? फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड 1 year. 1 year is equal 12 months. Yes student, 12 months. एक साल में कितने महीने होते हैं? 12 months. ओके, 12 months. Yes student, एनुअली फ़ी कितनी है? 123,000. ओके, हमने कितनी फ़ी, हमने पर मंथ फ़ी फाइंड करनी है. तो 1 year is equal 12 month. Now we will divide by 12. 12 1 is 12. 12 1 is 12. Now we will subtract 0. The next digit is 3. Yes student, 3. The next digit is 3, that is smaller than 12. 12 is not, first we will put 0, then we will write the next digit 0. Now 12 1 is 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. That is greater value. So 12 2s are 24. Now we will subtract. First we will take carry from 3, make 10. 10 minus 4 is equal 6. The next digit is 0. Now 12 1 is 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. 12 4s are 42. 12 4s 12 3s are 12 4s are 48. Sorry, 12 4s are 48 and 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are, now we will subtract 0. Next digit is also 0. So we put 0 and the answer is fee paid per month. Fee paid per month is ₹10,250. That is the answer. Understand? Now question number 11. And question number 11 is, if a person has 25 shops, each worth ₹655,000, then what is the total cost of these shops? Yes student, that is also very easy question. एक आदमी के पास 25 शॉप्स हैं. टोटल शॉप्स कितनी है? 25. और हर शॉप्स की वर्थ कितनी है? ₹655,000. ओके, देन व्हाट इज़ द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस शॉप्स? तो टोटल कॉस्ट बतानी है 25 शॉप्स की. एक शॉप की कीमत, एक शॉप की वर्थ उन्होंने हमें बता दी है, डेट इज़ ₹655,000. 25 की फाइंड करनी है. टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ शॉप्स, शॉप्स कितनी है? 25. तो टोटल कॉस्ट फाइंड करनी है थ्रू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो वर्थ ऑफ वन शॉप, दैट इज 655,000 multiplied by 25. Okay student, multiplied by 25. Now 5 0 0 5 0 0 5 0 0. 5 multiplied by 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. To carry 5 5s are 25, 26, 27. To carry 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2, 32. 2 0 0, 2 0 0, 2 0 0. 2 5s are 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 5s are 10. 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 11, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Yes, student. Now we will add 0 0 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 7. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 1. Yes, student. Total cost of 25 shops is rupees 16,375,000. That is the answer. Yes, student. Total shops 25 and worth of each shop, that is 655,000. Now we will find through multiplication, and the answer is rupees 16,375,000. Understand? I hope you understand all the question. Anyhow, if you have any problem in any question, student, you can ask me in question answer session. Okay? Now note down your home task. Practice question number 9 and 10. Sorry, question number 9 to question number 11. Book page number 16, and exercise name is word problem. Word problem. Student, practice your question in good and neat handwriting. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.